Welcome back, everyone. This is Steve Ganz, and I welcome you back to Options Trading 101, a multi-part series for beginning options traders. Now, in today's topic, we're going to cover the moneyness of an option. I referred to this a little bit in our prior sessions where we talked about intrinsic and extrinsic value. If you haven't seen those, be sure to go back and take a look. You're going to find them of value in helping to understand this topic. So what is moneyness of an option? Well, there is an out of the money option, and I'm going to toss a bunch of terms at you here that might not make a whole lot of sense right now, but I'm going to get to some illustrations that I think should hopefully, clarify some of these things for you. And I probably don't need my face in here, so I'm going to remove that at this point. But an out of the money option has no intrinsic value. For a call option, this means that the stock price is below the strike price. For a put option, it means the stock price is above the strike price. As an example, if you have a call option with a strike price of $60 and the current stock price is $55, the option is out of the money because buying the stock at 60 using your option is more expensive than the market price. Just simply would not make sense to do that. So an in-the-money option has intrinsic value. For a call option, this means that the stock price is above the strike price. For a put option, it means the stock price is below the strike price. Again, I'm going to show you examples of this in a few minutes. If you have a call option with a strike price of $50 and the stock's currently trading at 55, this means it's in the money. And it would benefit you if you wanted to exercise that option to buy the stock at $50 and then instantly sell it for $55. An at the money option is simply one that's trading right at around your strike price. So there probably isn't any real value in going ahead and having that assigned to you or calling that to you while it's directly at the money. So this will help give you some examples. Again, if XYZ stock is trading at 100, well, a 105 call is out of the money. A 105 put is in the money. Again, trading at $100, a 95 put is out of the money. A 95 call is in the money. So to give you an example, when you're looking at a P&L So to give you an example, if you're looking at an options matrix in this case, out of the money options only have extrinsic value. You notice right here, there is no intrinsic value in these options. These are out of the money options. The only value they have is extrinsic value. Now, extrinsic value is made up mainly of time, value, and volatility. So if we look at in-the-money options, we can see that in-the-money options have both extrinsic value and intrinsic value. On most options chains, there also will be some highlighting differences. In other words, they will highlight which options might be in the money or out of the money. And again, just a reminder, intrinsic value is the difference in the current underlying price and the option's strike price. So let's see what that looks like just to clarify that. So if Apple's trading at $248.03, a $245 strike basically has an intrinsic value of $3.03. If I do the math here, I take my 248.03 minus 245, I find that the intrinsic value is $3.03. So the overall options price here of the $5.58 is a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic value. So to see that in the put option down here, we can see that we have this amount of intrinsic value, this amount of extrinsic value. Those two of those combined give us the total price of the option. So hopefully that helped clarify what moneyness in an option is. In the next section, we're going to start getting into the four main Greeks involved in option trading. So we'll see you back soon to cover Delta.